Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be reviewing something new. This company called Mix Easy reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out some of their products and do like a review. So this is going to be first impressions and review. So this is the box. Let me open this guy up. Super cute packaging. I was showing my friend the other day, so I haven't test out the product at all or smelled it or anything. I just kind of like did a quick one of these. But let me explain what the company is first before I really go right in. So Mix Easy is a website where you can basically create your own face wash, moisturizer, shampoo, and conditioner. And I think maybe there's like a body wash on there too. There's like one or two other things on there that you can make. It's really cool. So basically when you click on the item that you want to create, you pick like what type of skin you have or what your hair type is like, and then the next page they have like a list of ingredients and you can click on each one and it'll tell you like the benefits and what it does, and you get to pick out a certain amount of ingredients to put into that formula, which is really cool. And then you get to pick the scent that you want for whatever it is that you are making. So it's really cool. I believe it's an all-natural website. Let's go on the website and take a look. Maybe there's like a little description on there. Okay, so on the About Us part of the website it says, MixEasy.com is set up by a team of chemists and engineers with over 20 years of experience and a strong knowledge of ingredients. After years of meticulous testing and refining, we finally launched our online platform with a unique approach to ingredients and formula. We believe that nobody knows your skin and hair like you do. Therefore, it is only natural that getting specifically made products would benefit you even more. At our innovative online beauty lab, we have the widest range of natural cosmetic ingredients, all carefully selected and tested by our chemists. Our revolutionary algorithm system automatically generates the right combination of ingredients in proportions based on your personal choices and goals. We do not test cosmetics on animals and do not cooperate with organizations that cause harm to animals. Alright, awesome. Cool, so this is like what the website looks like. You get to choose face cleanser, moisturizer, shampoo, or conditioner. And alright, so here it says natural and organic, vegan friendly, cruelty free, freshly prepared, premium quality, easy returns, handmade and customized for you. It doesn't have any parabens, sulfates, harsh chemicals, toxin, dyes, silicone, which is actually really good, especially in shampoos and conditioners, because sometimes that can kind of be like a false way to make your hair feel like smooth and plump, but it doesn't actually like benefit the hair at all. When I was doing it on the website too, it was super quick, really easy, and a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, which was really cool. And like I said, when you get to like choose that, so you get to choose your item and then choose all like the ingredients that you want in it, and when you click on each ingredient it'll give you like a list of the benefits and stuff, which I thought was really cool. And they shared a coupon code with me, so my coupon code is unique, which gives you $8 off of your next purchase. So I'll put the coupon code down below, so if you guys decide you want to shop, you can use that, get some money off. Alright. So I am really excited. Let's open up the face cream first. So they package everything really nicely, so you don't have to worry about it like breaking or anything when it's being shipped. So you get to name your formulas, and I thought that when you would name the formula it would be on the bottle. It's not, so that's kind of like a little bummer, but hey, that's okay. I think you get to name it so that way next time if you go to like replenish, you can just click on that one and you know which like one you're getting if you decide to make a couple different ones. So I named my face cream Share, and the bottle is really cute. It has like nice sunflowers on it, and the fragrance that I did is Sunlight Dance. Alright, so the key ingredients that I put into my moisturizer were raspberry extract, green coffee extract, damask rose flower extract, floral nectar, blackcurrant extract, and rosehip extract. So pretty much all the ingredients that I put in here were anti-aging and stuff to make my skin have a nice glow. So I'm not going to put this on my face yet because you can probably tell I need to shower very badly. My hair is super dirty. So I'll come back and review this for you guys after I test out the shampoo and conditioner. But we can at least smell it for now. Okay, so it has a lock on it as well, which I really like. And the pump is actually like kind of cool looking, if you guys can see it. Sorry, my eye keeps twitching, so sorry if you like notice that and it's like super awkward. We're just gonna give this a second to calm down. Okay. So it feels like a pretty lightweight formula. Oh yeah, super lightweight. And it smells really good. Kind of like a sweet floral scent. It smells nice. Feels nice and hydrating. We'll be able to give it a real test when we put it on the face, but pretty lightweight, which is nice. So pretty good for summer. It smells really good. And there's like a hint of like a rose scent in there, but it's not like, it's not that like overpowering rose scent. It's like a nice kind of like sweet florally scent. That smells really good. Okay, so I have a shampoo as well, which I named Cher's Weave. And it's cool. So they kind of like theme everything. So if you choose like the same scent for all of your formulas, which I did, I chose Sunlight Dance for everything. They all kind of like fit together, but they're still like a little different, so you can tell like your shampoo apart from your conditioner and the moisturizer. But they all still like look good together, which I think is really cute. So you get 250 milliliters in the shampoo, and you get that in the conditioner as well. So let me read off what I put in my shampoo. So I put in silk protein, argan oil, magnolia lily flower extract, cranberry extract, amino acids, and blackcurrant extract. So I did stuff that's gonna be good for like colored and treated hair, and stuff that's gonna make it shiny, stronger, and just all around healthier. And then I think in the conditioner I put some stuff to help with the growth. So it has just kind of like your typical like press open cap. Oh, and it's got a seal on it. That smells really good too. So I'm excited to use this in the shower. Alright, and then for my conditioner, I did the same scent again, the Sunlight Dance, and I called this the Chanel's. Again, packaging is really cute. They look cute together, but you can still tell them apart, which is nice. And let me see. So in this guy, I put in the silk protein, D-penthenol, argan oil, blackcurrant extract, parsley extract, and green coffee extract. So for the conditioner, I did stuff that's going to make my hair shinier and help it to grow. All right, let me go take a shower. We're going to try these bad boys out, and I will be back in a little bit. Alright guys, I tested out the shampoo and conditioner. My hair is feeling pretty good, but I'm going to let it air dry, and then I'll give you my final thoughts in that like in an hour or so once it air dries, because I'll really be able to tell how good it is for my hair by the way my hair air dries and how curly it is and the texture of it. But for now, let's try out the face cream. I like the pump on it a lot. In the formula, it's like lightweight, but it feels really hydrating at the same time. It almost feels like as creamy and hydrating as a really like emollient cream, but without feeling as heavy. And it smells really good too. Alright guys, my skin is feeling pretty good, but I'll check back in an hour and I can give you my final thoughts on the face moisturizer, the shampoo, and conditioner. Alright guys, so it's actually been almost 2 hours. my hair is completely dry and I feel like it looks pretty good. I do have like a little bit of frizziness up here, but that's actually pretty normal. And I feel like it actually has like a good amount of shine to it, and the curl is really nice. Let me see. Yeah, I feel like it has a good amount of shine. The curl is nice. The color is still really good too. And yeah, it feels really nice and silky. It made my hair feel really soft. And it's pretty like light and bouncy, which I love. And my skin feels really nice. It still feels like really hydrated, and I'm surprised at how like moisturized my skin still feels considering how like lightweight the formula is. But it definitely feels like very, very hydrating. So I definitely am gonna keep using these products, and I really like it. I really like the scent too. It's like this kind of like light, sweet floral scent. I did the scent in Sunlight Dance. And yeah, I'm really happy. I'm definitely gonna keep using these and the moisturizer for sure. And like I said, I have a coupon code. It is called Unique, and just like regular Unique, I'll list it down below just in case if you're unsure on the spelling. And definitely at least check the website out and see if it's something that you're interested in. And I'll let you guys know once I use all these up if I plan on reordering them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this first impressions. Make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and leave any comments down below if there's some stuff that you really want me to review or you want me to do a video on. Alright, bye guys!